I mean, the clue's in the title. He knows he's screwed now.
So that
What happened
is,
there? What happened
that's
there?
a common thing. I think it's clearance on your jaws. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's okay. Yeah, straight.
So
straight
again,
into the chuck. Straight into the chuck. I don't know. Do you think that's going to be okay? I'm not.
I think you'd erect your holder definitely for sure. Your jaws. It's a common mistake. Verification software.
Oh come on, the jaw's going to. Well, the jaw's probably going to be fine. Ultimately,
Yeah.
it's a jaw. Like it's a jaw, and that was a low speed. That was a low speed crash. He's
Yeah.
ground. He's ground the end of his holder
Yeah.
down. I think the rest of his holder might be okay. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I think you would have ended up. It's the clearance again. There's a lot of people. If it was,
You know the saying, clearance is clearance.
yeah, that's
No
no
clearance.
Yeah, definitely.